Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can draw any shape or object you want, simply using your mouse and your own hand. To do this, make sure you have enough canvas space for designing, in whatever dimensions you need. Go to the sidebar and search for Tools. If you don't see, go to the Apps and search for Tools there. Right now, I have it here, so go to the Tools so you can start drawing. You can create anything you'd like with your mouse. Click on it and you'll see a lot of options. This one might be the eraser, and this is a settings or transparency. If you want to change the weight or the transparency, you can do that here. And if you want to change the color, that's also available. Let's go with this one. Maybe I'll draw a square. Just drag to make a square like this. Or a rectangle. If you want to erase something, just go to the eraser and you can erase it like this. Let's try just like this. You can draw whatever you want. Canva also offers this feature, so you can draw whatever you want. And if you want to highlight something, you can easily highlight it this way. And again, if you want to use the eraser, just erase anything. Simply drag with the eraser and it will erase everything. I'll be making more videos on these features as well, but for today, it was just about how you can draw whatever you want. So that's a short tutorial. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this video, just comment below. I'll answer all your questions. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.